Oh, don't cry.
No.
Okay, tawagin mo na nga pulis, Mima.
No.
Tawagin mo na yung pulis.
Hello, sir. This is 911 emergency.
Oh, sagutin mo.
Okay, sir. I will transfer you to the Children Police Station.
No.
Oh, there's a baby here.
Sir, this is the Children Police Station. What is the problem?
And the problem is our child is very naughty.
Don't do that.
Okay, sir. Can I have the name and the age, please?
His name is Noah Cristoferi, and he's 3 years old. Yes, he's crying right now.
Is he still doing naughty stuff?
Yes, very naughty, sir.
Sir, if he didn't stop, I will send an officer to him.
Okay, sir, send right now.
No.
He didn't stop, sir?
Yes, still crying.
Okay. I'm afraid that I will have to send an officer for him.
Okay, sir.
Children prison.
Okay, sir.
On his way to you.
Okay. Okay, okay, copy, sir. Okay. He's still crying. He's still crying, sir.
Oh, stop crying na.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, sir.
okay, bye-bye na.
Oh, bye-bye.
Okay, wala na. Okay, wala na. Stop na, okay. Stop crying. Stop jumping. Stop jumping, okay? Okay? Kinalat mo, yan oh. Kalat mo lahat yan. Kinalat mo lahat yan. Oh. Stop jumping na, ha?
Okay.
Okay, behave na. Para hindi na kami tatawag ng pulis.
Okay.
Behave na, okay?
Okay.
Promise? What will you say?
Sorry.
Okay. Oh, hug mo na si Mima. Mag-sorry ka.
Sorry, Mommy. I'll do it again.
Oh, you will do it again?
No.
I won't
do it again.
I want to do it again.
Oh, stop
Okay.
jumping, okay?
Okay.
No more jumping. No more jumping, ah.
Oh, baka mapilayan ka, matama pa yung ulo mo dyan, wag na. Ha? Oh, yung sipon mo. Okay, para di na kami tatawag ng pulis, okay?
Okay.
What will you say?
Sorry, I'll do it again, Daddy.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, stop jumping na.